Guys, so what's up? It's your girl pretty girl Jody, and I'm here with a brand new video. As you can see, the girl is dolled up. I want to put you guys onto this wonderful hair that I got from Octsun on Amazon. Yeah, it's maintenance weekend and we are getting all dolled up. I did my nails, I did my eyes, and I softened my hair a bit, but I'm now going to go ahead and install a wig. So this week's video is sponsored by Octsun from Amazon. This is a 24-inch 13 by 4 full transparent lace front wig, body wave, good quality and everything. So this is it. Let's install this wig with me. All right, and pretty gangs, remember, tell a friend to pull up. And if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, please remember to like, and you can share with a friend. This is a very big deal. I go on for Amazon, I'm gonna feel like say una coulda, you know, wink wink. Yeah. First, let's do the unboxing. So this is the box. First one, said the package is super cute. Yeah, I'm going to already, that's why I have this angled, but the package is super cute. I'm loving it. All right, so let's get into it. It gives you this option to just pull it out like a little drawer, and voila, here we go. So this is the wig. It's giving taller than 24-inch. So yes, as I said, it's 24-inch. This is the wig. Yep. This is the wig. I am loving it. It's giving more than 24. It's giving 30. No, not 30. It's like it, you know, it's like 26, 28. It's like wait forgive. More than wait forgive actually, by the way. And as you can see, it kinda look like it pre-plucked. I have like a baby ear going at the front. This is the inside. I like the space. Ooh, I like the space in the front. So it's like it's supposed to be. So let's get into the install. I'm not doing any ball cap method, man. I have no time for that. So let's get into it. Put on the cap. Why don't I put in a ball cap method? We can't buy so much glue on my hair. Even for it. Let me try. So that's it. I'm gonna use a thing. We should do that first, you know. Should I put it? No. Yeah. So first, I cut it. Spray for tap down the cap. This is the ebony hold spray. Angle triangle. Me I bleed. Gang. So I'm gonna put you in the something nice. So now we're gonna put our head and measure it for cut it, cause this is where everything come down now, where everything mash up and we can spoil. I'm gonna put on a wig, brand new wig by myself. I always carry my hairdresser and then them cut them out and define it. So next time I can do it myself. But I'm gonna use a white glue. Should I use the white glue? Can't bother that either. I'm gonna use some spray again. Back to regular programming. So I added a little more of this spray to the cap, to the lace, and then we'll put on the band. We'll put on the headband on it, and so on. So make a plug in my hot core, make it go on hot, so I can go and do the style when I'm ready for finish and ready for cut it. Alright, so I'll be back. Hey pretty gang, I'm back. I also have this hot comb in my Amazon storefront. You can check it out. It's very, very cheap and it's very cute. Let's grab this now. Let's see what's going on with the comb. See what's going on. So this is what's going on in right now. Even if it don't come out, let's at least start the problem. Alright, first, try them stuff cut first. Them stuff cut. Unfortunately, I'm back. I left the comb. Alright, so I close my back. I try to cut it as best as I could. It kind of look good over the side. I look good. They don't look good like scale, but over here so they have to use some makeup and fix it up. So I have this. May I go in it with this? I use the powder. I use the Jordan and see if oh my god, what am I saying? May I go in with this too dark? What? Let's see. I can't believe I'm doing a while ago. No. Just a cherry. I know I love that. But I know it now whiter than how it did white. It don't look it. Alright, but it does not look quite like it did white before. I like it. So we can make some of this to this while it's right. So the edge I'm kind of want to go touch up, but my like it's like it's a give scalp. No, without the shoes, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Alright. Just do the baby ear them. And Mr. Omega use me Eco Gel. It's in my storefront on Amazon. Get into it. I'm gonna do the baby ear them now. I'm gonna cut them. And I'm gonna use my Eco Gel. I'm gonna use my Eco Gel and make baby ear.